last day here in Texas, and I'm over here walking to the park. I'm just here to just get some photo labs. That's why I came here really early. It's 10:30. The park doesn't open until 12. So, just gonna be chilling here, taking some photos, I guess. Oh, shoot, it's a lizard. But yeah. So I guess I'll talk to y'all once I get to the front entrance in about like a few minutes or so. 2023, y'all. So it's officially 2023, and this is my first park visit slash really my last visit to the park, and I am super excited. Here, I'm literally the first guest of 2023. But well, let's just say third guest. But really excited. So let's get this great day started, y'all. We're about to head to New Texas Giant for the new year. All freaking hell, y'all. Oh, hey, I'll talk to y'all one thing about New Texas Giant. Y'all, first person to ride New Texas Giant for the new year. Oh, hell, y'all. Let's get it. The Giant twice, once in the front and once in the back while leaving the station. This ride is running really slow right now, but looks like the park is not gonna be super busy because the entrance where all the cars are, I only saw like a few cars, so hopefully it's not super busy today. But let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Let's run our Titan next. To Titan right now. New Texas Giant is a stationary right now. I think I'm gonna ride that again once I get off Titan. So I have not seen this thing run yet. So I saw it test a few times, but it is running 2 trains today, unlike it was 2 days ago. So should be great, honestly. So let's get it. It's closed. Oh, sucks. Well, okay. I'll ride you a little later. You know what? Let's go to Runaway Mountain. I have not ridden that lately, so let's go ahead and over there. I'm about to get on Runaway Mountain. I only ridden this once, so let's ride it again since it rarely ever has a very short line like this. So let's get it, y'all. Actually get a Zen ride on Runaway Mountain, which is considered to be, it gets, the last 2 days, 3 days I've been here, it's been having like an hour, 30-minute wait. So I just got off riding in the back and front. This ride is a way better version of Hurricane. But I'm about to go to Shockwave right now. So catch y'all over there. Reopen this ride. I was looking forward to riding this until that stupid, it will not be open today for a technical. This ride has not been open since the summer. Reopen this ride, Six Flags, please, y'all. I'm about to ride Shockwave. I'm gonna get a front row ride on this and a back row. But yep, oh, this is so exciting. The crowds are so light, y'all. The crowds are so light. Not even 2 days ago, the park was like this in the morning. It was busy in the morning. Look at this, no line for Shockwave. I knew one of these days was going to be a very busy day. Let's get a ride on this, y'all. Let's get it. It's like I'm at Over Georgia and Mindbender again. 4 rides on Shockwave. 3 rides, I mean, while leaving the station. This ride has no line, y'all. This ride is so good. I love Shockwave so much. It is such a good ride. Like, this ride has way superior airtime than Mindbender. But I will say Mindbender does have the intensity. But this ride is amazing, y'all. My God. It's turning out to be a very relaxing day here at the park. Very light crowds. Like, look how dead this pathway is. And I actually get to see the actual how they operate. But I think I'm gonna do Superman. I think I already said that. Yeah, there it goes up there. But I haven't seen Mr. Freeze run, so I hope it's running at the time I get over there. But yeah, about to ride Superman again. Man, that was pretty good. I rode in the What tower was that? The yellow tower. But let's head over to our next ride. I think we're gonna go to Batman, but because I don't see Mr. Freeze testing at all, so I think Batman's gonna be our best bet. Harley Quinn is open today. Actually, it's okay. I'm gonna ride that. I've never seen anything like that, and I want to go ride it really bad. I'm actually gonna ride these flats over here. I hate that the skyscraper is closed. They're literally doing some maintenance on it. But let's go. Harley Quinn, Spinsanity. That was tons of fun. That was weird, but it was really fun. I'm glad because it's been closed for the last like 3 days. But it's time to do Riddler now. No, let's do Catwoman's whip. And then we're gonna do Riddler, then we're gonna do Batman. So let's get it, yo. Mr. Freeze is closed for a refurbishment. What type of unexpected refurbishment is this thing having? I mean, I already got my front row and back row rides on it. I just kind of wanted to ride it again since it's the park's best coaster, but let's go ride Batman instead. Yay! Front row ride on this thing, and it was really good. It's somehow a front row ride and not a back row ride, which is completely opposite compared to the other clones, but it's really good. But when I also went on the lift hill, I found out something about Mr. Freeze. You think, okay, it's normal. Look at that over there. It's Valley. I did not think in a million years this ride would Valley while I'm here. I didn't see it actually happening. I just saw the trains on the bottom of that, and it must have Valley, which is crazy, y'all. Crazy. That's just crazy. But luckily, I already got my front row, back row rides on it. But still, it still kind of sucks I won't be able to ride it today. But dang, that's crazy. To see the state of this ride, which this ride literally reopened. It was literally open in the summer, and I mean it still looks fairly okay. I'm not sure if it's just a seasonal ride or something, but like the state of this ride is kind of low-key, kind of sad. This is Pirates of Spinsanity Cave, which I heard is pretty decent, but I don't think how it's gonna compare to Pirates of the Caribbean at Disney World, but I don't know. Hope they bring this ride back one day. I got off Titan and I rode it in the front row. I don't know, y'all. I think I kind of prefer it over New Texas Giant because that intensity makes you like see. But I'm about to go ride New Texas Giant. It might be it's gonna be my last ride on it because I gotta go soon. But I'm gonna ride it hopefully in the back row. But yeah, so I guess I'll catch y'all once I'm got off New Texas Giant. Giant in the back row on Turquoise train. It was running incredibly fast. It is such an amazing ride. So sad it's my last ride on it, but on this trip, I totally got 3 rides on New Texas Giant today. It's just such a great ride, y'all. I'm gonna miss it so bad, but I think I'm gonna do Joyride Screamer, and then after that, I think I'm just going to head out at this point. So catch y'all by Joyride Screamer. That I got a Zen ride on this in the morning, because look at the line. It's probably like a 30-minute line. That's absolutely hilarious. But yeah, I'm still heading to Joyride Screamer real quick. So yeah, ride is open. Joyride Screamer. Super excited, y'all. I'm gonna get the front row ride on this thing. So I catch y'all once I get off Joyride Screamer in the front row. It was really good. I don't understand the hate for this ride, because it does have a hate base. But that was really good. So actually, this is not gonna be my last ride, because I think I have I think I'm gonna do a lot more stuff now, because originally I was on a time frame, but now I have an hour. So I think I'm gonna do a lot of the flat rides. I didn't get to do Riddler over there, so I might just do Riddler over there. Probably just walk around, take pictures and whatnot. But yeah. We'll see whatever has a short line, and I'll do it. Ride the train. Because I'm not usually a train person, but let's go, y'all. Super excited, though.
Aquaman Power Wave. If you're in that boat, you're going to be in a boat with 20 people. You 20 people are going to go whaling up there at 148 feet up there in the air. Release your boat right back down. You're going to hit that water at 63 miles an hour. You're going to make a big old splash. Coming up here on the left side of the train is our Bugs Bunny Boat Town. There's about 10. Alright folks, there is a ride up here to the very, very far left side of us over there. Can't see it too well from here, but nonetheless it is a ride. It's not part of Six Flags over Texas, but that ride is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You gotta have nerves of steel over there, but you can do it. That ride out there would be called Interstate 30. Alright folks, coming up on the left side will be our Shockwave roller coaster. It opened up here in 1978. 1978, when it opened up, it was the first of its kind in the world. First consecutive double loop roller coaster in the world.
Train, it was really nice. But I did get to see Mr. Freeze just sit there chilling there. And but yeah, there's pandemonium. Yeah, it's pretty packed right now, honestly. But let's do a photo lap around the park. So nice. No, this is the best Justice League ride I've ridden. I've ridden the ones that's over Georgia and Great America, and this one's for sure the best. For sure. I wasn't even expecting it. Wow, that was really good. Unfortunately, it is time to leave our precious little park. I had a really great time despite it being very busy most of the time. Today was really the best day I've had here. I experienced many of the rides. I got the Marathon Shockwave, got the ride to take you Texas Giant, Titan. Today was a really great day compared to the other days, but even still, I had tons of fun. I had so much fun. And it is time to end our day here at Over Texas. I spent 4 days here, I think 3 days. Got to ride pretty much every single coaster except for obviously Aquaman. That's still not even open. Runaway Mine Train was closed. I'm gonna come back here anyway, and then Kitty Coaster doesn't count. But I had tons of fun here. My favorite ride here in the park for sure is Mr. Freeze, which unfortunately is valid today. But I did get to ride a back row and front row ride on it, and it was tons of fun. So that does it here from Over Texas. Catch y'all probably at the airport or somewhere. Today is the end of our vlog, or end of our trip, and it's been a really great trip. What was your thoughts on it?
Highlights of the trip? The whole thing, the weather was great.
Yeah, it was. It was.
You know, the sports bar I went to, I had to walk up on.
Yeah.
The actual Traders Village was different as well. What did we go to the night before?
We went to Alley Cats.
Alley Cats was
and then we went to downtown Dallas. Downtown Fort Worth.
Downtown Fort Worth. It was good.
It was really nice.
Very unexpected trip.
And I had an amazing time despite, you know, the crowds. I still had an amazing time. I was able to ride everything, got so much content for you guys, so you're gonna guys probably see this in like probably February. But so what you want to say? Time to check out.
Trying to check out.
Checking out. Peace.
See ya.